guys, welcome people, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Boss Lady TV. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly smash on the red button that says subscribe and put on your notification bell so you're gonna see this ogbonge mama face whenever I put up a new video. And to my amazing subscribers, I say thank you all for being here. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. So today we went into another ogbonge tori, another tori don come. Na tori mama. Oh yo mama, we don't dey here. Now we dey here. Now we dey run now. Oh yeah, bust champagne. May we begin the offload down. May you sit download down. So thank you all. Leave all those your wonderful comments, your likes, your share. More they share our video. More they help us share. Make people they see more. The more they share, the more people they see. As soon as you use the receiver, share it for your WhatsApp, share it for your Facebook, share it everywhere. Make people they help us to see. Say this channel now, bonge to read the and here we see they do hook up. You dey find husband, you dey find wife, and your right place and you did so. So thank you all my amazing people. May God bless you all. Let's go into the gist of today. The topic when it come our table today. So today we get another ogbonge to read. Babalawo, owo gemi am wo ka be. See matter, daughter-in-law and mother-in-law don jam for babalawo. O seke. Things dey o. Wetin happen? This girl, this story, na who it happen to girlfriend and bring her for me. Not be the main person we happen to anyway, but in best friend. Then call me say, see one thing. I say what is it? Mo pa ona gala na matin tie. So what he say happen? He say they come. That is one of I want to explain now because they come many. This girl will bring her for me. I remove she inside. Let me do one like say that the owner of the matter they talk to, because when I call they say you girlfriend, friend, go hard me. I don't feel explain her. So the owner of this story, girlfriend, he call the friend sugar daddy. So this sugar daddy, he not give her because they chop him money. He get sugar daddy they ona go away, ona he and the mama they chop the money. Because now the mother now carry the sugar daddy give the girl. So the girl say he no go marry, he no go follow, but it is reach up the sugar daddy money, Okay. So when he don't reach, then mama, then come tell the mama say, okay, your daughter, he don't reach, I want to pay a dowry. And the girl say, which kind of dowry? For who? He not go, he ought to say you be uncle, family friend. And he say, which kind of family friend? Your man not tell you. Your man can say, call it berry. Then the man come tell her say, okay, no wahala, but now marry, you want marry you. So the girl come say no dey marry. The man they do say the girl no marry. Now so the man take enter babalawo place, come go do something, come verse. He get wetin we for Benin they call taba. Then they throw am for ground. The say person go use their carry all those kind of automobile. And so the content from babalawo throw to this girl. So this girl can't use his leg carry. Now when come the battle, say the leg come the swear, be like drum. The girl come the cry, so cry. So babalawo place where they still carry and go the treat her. All this native, the man of babalawo stroke native medicine. He still they do all this native medicine. They come they mark the girl leg. So the girl mama with where they carry this very girl go babalawo place go the treat so. So they go there every day. They go there every time. Not knowing say their daughter-in-law, which is this girl when they throw something for a leg. The one is senior her 2 times, wife. Now then they call they do something. And the husband and abroad in the Nigeria. You don't get one pikin for. And they go they tie their pikin. Not be as one day they all see the person you then get come with a friend, a friend. He say as they enter house, tori don wowo. Now the mother-in-law first sight and he felt clean. I say, oh na anyway na. Now he can go meet her. What you dey do for babalawo place? Now she self still look am. mother-in-law, wetin you yourself can't do for babalawo place? Because since wey that girl dey there wey dem dey treat am, she never see am because dem put am for one room where dem dey treat am. So e no get right wey we go dey look the whole room so e dey the whole house for babalawo place. So where dem put the girl dey treat am, na there she all lie down wey dem dey treat the leg. While she dey for, if you come na shrine side, she dey go. So as the mother-in-law jam am, na the mother-in-law come dey ask the babalawo say, na babalawo come ask dem, una know each other? Come say na my daughter-in-law. Babalawo, you say you come shock like this, shock like say your daughter-in-law. You come say yes. Na your pikin dey abroad? You say yes. Hey hey, oshemesheme don happen. Because this woman wey born the girl wey leg dey pain with this babalawo don know for long. Na this babalawo come enter inside o. He come bring her picture say, na this one be your pikin? Na the woman say he faint. Say e pikin. Then say na she bring am o. E don tell we bring am here when im dey work on her head. May e forget the family, dey remember only she. And really they say this girl, now if you see her, you bless na him just dey for the abroad. Your husband she na only him head just dey pack all as he just dey work, receive salary. Only he has strength and feed the money. Every money wey dey work na this girl head he dey pack and put. To the extent they work to fabric, they go to work, they work one for morning, they work one for evening, just to satisfy this very girl. Shey you hear? So at the end of the day, then babalawo come tell her say, then the woman say come ask say, you wan come be? Over here na him. So then the babalawo come tell her say, we don't too know for long. Make you no worry, na him still do am. He go return everything back. Then the girl say, Lala, we no gree o. Him mama wan follow him take drag him pikin. Na him husband anywhere like he carry him husband go, he no go sign anybody. So you can't tire in your pikin make you know they give him money, make you know they outside. When they say your pikin, not say that you spoil and say if they suspect your waka say you not clear. So now this one, he say the come dey quarrel, everyone. Now the girl they come call them for family meeting. As they call her for family meeting, the worst he said the girl still hold ground. Say yes, like your husband, he get right to do anything when he like with her. Will be mess about for your pikin. Hey, so about get ready my mom. So you carry another person pikin, you use but you spoiler like that. Me, no, you remember, remember. You did that before you carry for that must stay born. If they give you your own son to they settle you and your pikin, that one not they know for you, you're blocking from the whole family. So women, why are dead too desperate and greedy? Without no sense of reason, say, this woman, now this my husband, now woman still born. This one, mama, you want to enjoy your own fruit of labor. Why you don't want to let another person enjoy? He said they call the quarrel. Now the family, they don't call the boy, say, see what happen. The boy said the worst thing. He said the boy wanted a family for family meeting. Say, my wife, so you don't use mercy for you. You do well. Don't better one can say you don't say your vision and even baby lala. He said, meaning, I beg if na left hand, then you fair put this juju. The juju too sweet. He want me you still put her for her right hand. He won't lick her for the two hand. If mama na so your mama say shock, they say she mama shocked and let's say. So now juju they feel how to spoil like this. So right now the native doctor, then they call they talk to. Native doctor say they change her, they turn her. You know say, maybe I love $100 to come return everything, reverse and back. It can take time. Just that native doctor assurance say he no go go further, but he dey try return everything because he don't tell you that they work on the head. Now I say okay, even if as soon as cash and it sure say this same woman will still go another native doctor place, he will still go because he was you go and get free. You go boy because of fear when just to spoil that man, just to remove one sweetness from the parents' mouth, just to make him become only her own. What is that? Because of self-centered greediness. She don't want to think of another person except only herself. Except for only herself. So now this one be the tori wey we carry come say mother-in-law e don jam daughter-in-law for babalawo place, and the daughter-in-law e no ready to calm down, e no ready to calm down. E still dey use force and power for the mother. Now say you never see some mother oga ije so don run da area zeto boy hero wey you don see say the time no pikin or when dem na mute no kpokpoma esi no kwazo esi no kwa. And this one I will break home. So thank you all, my boss lady family. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for joining me. May God bless you all. We'll see you again on our next video. Bye for now. Always share our video, subscribe to our channel, share it to all your social media platform, and don't forget to tell people about this channel. Say ogbonge tori mama, boss lady, all the boss nation mona dey share am na we na we married my way, we dey do am as we na we mo we je say, you know, we dey do am together. I love you all, and thank you all for accepting me, for loving my personality. Thank you all for being here. Always come to watch our videos, subscribe to our channel, and don't skip our ads. I beg. Children dey grand o, more than skip our ads. Now that ads still dey bring small thing dey come out. So thank you all once again. Till we see again on our next video. Bye.